Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to show you and explain two pricing plans and which one you should definitely choose or use when you're starting with QuickBooks. It also depends like which country are you from, so I believe that if you're from the Australia, the pricing plans of QuickBooks would be different, and also if you're from the UK. So I'm just going to review the US here, and that's pretty much it. So first thing first, you have option to have a free trial for 30 days. Or you would get 50% off for 3 months. You need to calculate it by yourself, which one suits you the best. So if I'm going to have like, let's say that I would choose Essential, and I would have 20/40, that's 60 bucks. 60 bucks that I would save in a 3 months, or I can have a free trial. So having a free trial is really good if you don't know if you want to use QuickBooks. I would go with a free trial and choose it. If I know that I don't know if I want to use QuickBooks, I don't know if I will just use it, but what I can do is to test it out and see that, okay, I don't like QuickBooks, so I won't use it. But with the 3 months, you can save good money. So yeah, I like to calculate a lot, as you see. And yep, so that's what you can do. Now this is the beginning. Then you have options to have a simple start, essential plus advanced. This really depends what do you actually need and what do you actually want, right? So, okay, this is in every same, but then you see that what are the bonuses here? That many people just simple start is going to be enough for them. But then you can also in essential include free users, manage and pay bills, track time. Here you can also track inventory, track project profitability. And then in advanced, you get literally everything. Automated workflows, restore company data, business analytics insight, batch invoices and expenses. And you can include more users. So that's really important. If you can have like more accountants, that's pretty good too. So that's something you can think about. Now, you can also bookkeeping setup, add a $50 one-time session. You can do it too. Or you have option, if you don't need all these, you can be a freelancer for $7.50 a month for 3 months, of course. Then you're gonna pay $15, and you're gonna see track income expenses, capture organized receipts, estimates quarterly taxes, track miles, run basic reports. Now, as you can see, having self-employed, like I'm self-employed, so I would be using this program, but maybe Essential is going to be good for you, or Plus. But this is pretty much it, and this review is pretty much it about QuickBooks online pricing plans. So thank you very much guys for watching, and have a great day, and goodbye. See ya.